Hey guys, it's Michael from Silverstone Car Care. Today we'll be showing you how to use our truck bed cover spray on our 2022 Toyota Tundra with a aluminum tonneau cover. This cover has already been cleaned with our all-purpose cleaner. So you want to make sure the cover is clean, or any surface that you apply it to is clean before you apply our cover spray. Applying it is super easy. What you want to do is give it a spray here. Now you want to be careful when spraying this because it does get everywhere. You want to make sure anywhere that the spray touches, you wipe clean. Otherwise, there will be some residue if you don't get to it. And then take your microfiber towel and distribute the spray evenly across the surface here, just like that. And then you're going to want to let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And once that's up, you'll take another microfiber towel and buff it completely dry.